from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, 'cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he
will be trying some beef neck bones, guys. And I got this idea from my sis Spicy Shauna Gang. Guys, I will put her name right here. Go and subscribe to her. I was looking at one of her videos and she was mentioning some neck bones, guys. And around here in the South, we eat neck bones year round, baby. So I have tried on this channel. I do have a meal on this channel for pork neck bones, but I have never did the beef neck bones. So I decided to try this, and this is a great Sunday family meal to make, guys. It consisted of rice, beans, and just meat. That's it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and try this meal, and I'm gonna give you guys a bite first. And here's the meat right here. Here you guys go. We're gonna go ahead and take a bite. Let me tell y'all something. This type of neck bones gotta be cooked on, like, it gotta be slow cooked. You cannot cook it like the pork neck bones. They gotta be slow cooked, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat this. So we're gonna try the green beans next, guys. Really good, guys. So delicious. I know my family will enjoy this meal, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, I don't know if I have a snack review or something, a review coming up right after this, but if not, guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe or this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And comment down below, guys. Talk with me and share for the world to see. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, my minkies.